Welcome to Garden State Off-Road and the installation of Rough Country's 4 to 5 inch suspension lift kit. We have been going to different shops in New Jersey for the install videos to help people find quality shops for the installation of lift kits and other off-road products. For the installation of the Rough Country lift for our 1991 Toyota pickup, we are back at the 4x4 place because we heard they added to their shop and brought in state-of-the-art equipment, and we had to come check them out again. Joel V worked on our 1991 Toyota pickup and made this Rough Country lift look easy. We all know that the IFS cam bolts can be a challenge on Toyotas, and this is where Joel really impressed me. He was working on our truck as if it was his own. I have seen it at other shops, and it would have been so easy to have just cut out the lower control arms and sell us new ones, but Joel didn't do that. He put in the extra effort so we could keep the OEM arms and not waste money on lesser quality aftermarket arms. Before we headed to the tire and alignment bay, I asked Joel what he thought about the Rough Country lift, and he said it actually went easier than he expected. And the 30-year-old truck was actually easier to work on than some of the newer trucks because the Tacoma cam bolts can freeze up in just a few years. With the 4x4 Place's state-of-the-art tire and alignment equipment, I was really impressed driving this truck on the highway. The Rough Country lift with dual steering stabilizers has the truck driving straight as an arrow down the highway. And when it was time for taking the truck out for a test drive in the swamp, we couldn't have been happier with the performance of the Rough Country lift. If you are looking for a quality 4 to 5 inch lift for your 89 through 95 Toyota pickup and a shop you can have confidence in for the install, check out Rough Country at roughcountry.com and the 4x4 Place at the4x4place.com. The staff at the 4x4 Place are passionate about off-roading, and their team competes in rock crawling events. And check out their Facebook for customer appreciation outing dates at Roush Creek.